This is a Dewalt 18 gauge stapler. It takes staples that are 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch in length, which is a 13 to 38 millimeter, and it's narrow crown staples, which is a 1/4 inch in width, and 20-volt batteries it takes. The model number is a DCN 681, and the depth can be adjusted, the power can be adjusted, like right here. If you want more power, you just move it back. If you want less power, you move it this way. If you move it back, the harder it's gonna hit the staple. And it has a battery light. You press the trigger, the light comes on, and I will demonstrate. Right now I have big staples in it, so I'm gonna do a little demonstration right here. So I like this 18 gauge stapler. It's battery powered, and that's what I like about it. I have a 15 gauge or 16 gauge, 15 and 16 gauge stapler. Those are pneumatic, but for 18 gauge stapler, this is wonderful. It has lock unlock button, and you load the staples through here, and this has a window right here. You can see the staples, and it has a nose piece. You can remove it, but I like to leave it on. Brushless motor. Thanks watching.